In this video, we will be taking this two-wheel drive Traxxas Stampede, and we're going to be doing one of the most necessary upgrades to any box stock Traxxas vehicle from the Rustler Stampede / lineup, which is adding on aluminum shock caps. So from the factory, these plastic shock caps, they will disappoint you every time. You'll be out in the field, you'll have some bash, they will come off, all the fluid comes out, your day is over. So from Hobbypark, we have these beautiful titanium colored shock caps. They come with the standoffs, they come with the hardware. Let's get this open, let's get these installed on and show you how we do it. First step on here, getting these shocks loose. Just as simple as that. You'll notice these are the proprietary Traxxas screws that are that actually have the shoulder on them. You'll see the Hobbypark setup actually does come with replacements with ever so slightly longer threaded portions. So we're going to be using those. Now, first thing we need to do is loosen up this shock cap. So I'm going to compress this spring down. We have this shock tool from Dynamite, super useful. Compress the tool down so I can get a hold on that shock body. Cap comes right off. Look at that, easy as can be. Now I'm going to reuse this diaphragm in here. Alright, while we're here, I am checking to make sure that the fluid in there is full. It is. The fluid actually looks clean too, so it looks like somebody has somewhat recently rebuilt these shocks. I'm going to slide this diaphragm back in there. Alright, you want to slide it in so that you don't trap any air in underneath it. Now, our fancy new Hobbypark caps. Use my screwdriver here to help make sure that I get this cap wound all the way down. Makes life very easy. Perfect. Look at that. Look how much better that looks already. And so much stronger. Now we're going to use our new hardware. Comes with the kit. We're going to screw it back on. Just that simple. Look at that. There we are. Absolutely beautiful looking. Check that out. Those brand new shock caps looking great on there. So let's move on to the rear and do the same thing back there. And there we go. There is 4 official shock caps on. The rest of the shocks on the Rustler Stampede, they're actually pretty good straight out of the box. Pretty durable for bashing, that kind of thing. They're damped pretty well. All that's pretty good. The real major headache is these shock caps. So we have officially fixed that. Done and done, right? Brand new shock caps on there, looking great. Really happy with this. So if you have this Stampede, if you have a Rustler, if you have a / two-wheel drive, any of these kind of things with these stock Traxxas shocks, get some of these aluminum caps. It is definitely the way to go. More to come on this truck. We're going to be replacing this gearbox. We got axles to go. We're going to be putting a body on it, modifying that. So stay tuned. If you're not a subscriber yet, click that subscribe button down below. Come over here and check out some of the other videos that we have going on. Lots of other stuff, whether it's bashing or drifting, crawling, racing, whatever it is. Come over here, check out some of the other things that we have going on. And stay tuned for the next video where we're going to be doing some more work on this truck. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye.